Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiffany and in today's video we are sadly taking down all of my summer decor. I know so many of you out there are ready to just be done with the heat of summer and move on to fall. And although I can totally understand and respect that, I am clinging to every little bit of summer that we have left. And I know we still have about a month of official summer. However, next week, my entire family goes back to school and we've already started to have some cooler days. There were 2 days in a row this past week where it didn't even get out of the 60s and it was rainy and just cold. And I was like, oh man, like it's really happening. So I figured it was time we can start to take down the summer decor, put away like all of my oyster shell things and, you know, coral and starfish and lobster things and just kind of neutralize the palette for a little while, even though it's pretty neutral right now, but we're gonna neutralize the palette and just start to prepare for fall decorating, which is going to be coming soon. I'm not trying to rush into it. It is lusciously green outside. I still am trying, like I said, to cling to what's left of summer, but I also recognize that I can provide some inspiration too for fall decorating, and so I don't want to wait too long. So we'll get to that here in the next couple of weeks. September will kick off fall content, fall decorating, all of that stuff. So glad you guys are here. I will be posting a fall decorating marathon that will show last year and maybe the year before of some fall decorating, and hopefully that will, you know, hold everybody over until it comes time for fall decorating for this year. So again, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Let's go ahead and get started. Before we go any further in today's video, I want to go ahead and thank our sponsor, Hydro. I've spoken to you about Hydro before, and I am thrilled to be sharing them again. Hydro rowers offer an immersive, full body workout, not just for rowers, but for anyone looking to take control of their health. I've spoken to you guys freely about my love of working out from home and not having to leave my house, and adding the Hydro rower has been a super awesome addition to our home workout options. I chose a rower because of its unique benefits over other types of cardio equipment. The Hydro rower offers a full body workout that engages up to 86% of your muscles while still providing a low weight bearing exercise that's easy on your joints. I know I've mentioned here on my channel before that I suffer from arthritis in my feet and my hands, and rowing offers a comfortable workout experience. I also love that I'm getting both a cardiovascular workout as well as a strength training workout all in one. The Hydro rower has a very luxurious design made of aluminum and steel with a crystal clear display and a uniquely quiet workout experience. And with two models, the Wave and the Pro, there's something to fit everyone's need and their space. The extensive library offers over 5,000 workout options, including rowing, yoga, strength training, and more. And the gorgeous images in these workouts transport you to gorgeous waterways all around the world, including Boston, London, Switzerland, Hawaii, and more, with over 100 different locations worldwide. And the workouts are led by exceptional athletes, including elite rowers, celebrated Olympians, and inspirational coaches. I had never rowed before, but I always thought that it just looked so incredibly peaceful being out there on the water. I was a little nervous when we first got the machine since I didn't know what I was doing, but luckily the Hydro rower is made for everyone, and there are how-to videos that teach you exactly how to use the machine, and workouts for all levels, both on and off the rower. I gotta tell you, my favorite part about using the Hydro rower has definitely been just the stress relief and the peaceful workout experience, whether it's the incredible music, the beautiful scenery, or just the really positive, upbeat coaches. It's always a very stress-releasing and enjoyable experience. Hydro is currently having their Labor Day sale right now. If you use my code GROVE, it's going to give you a $125 discount off the already discounted prices. That means the Pro is $575 off and the Wave is $275 off. So such an incredible time to get yourself a Hydro rower. My entire family has truly loved adding rowing to our workout routines, and I'm sure you will too. Let me know if you have any questions down below, and thank you again to Hydro for sponsoring today's video. Okay, my friends, we're going to go ahead and get started here in the kitchen in my little hutch cabinet. And my goal for today was just to take down all of the blue decor or the beachy decor and just kind of leave it with a neutral palette. I had no intentions of like redecorating, if you will, because here in the next week or so, I'm going to be starting fall decorating. So I really didn't want to put too much time and energy into redecorating. I did bring in a couple of pieces just to make sure it didn't look empty because that's just how I roll. I like a really fully decorated home, and so I did bring in a couple of little things, but for the most part I just kind of moved things around. And I will say that although I am super sad summer is coming to an end, I am looking forward to the change of the season. I love fall. It's beautiful. I love it just as much as everybody else. I just love every season. I love living in New England now. I grew up on the West Coast where, yes, we had seasons, but really it was summer and winter. We didn't really have transitional seasons, and if we did, they were for a week or two, definitely not with beautiful colors, but I just really enjoy every single season here except for winter. I don't love winter. It just feels like it's so long. But I do really enjoy summer here, and this summer was fabulous. This is probably the best summer I have ever had in my entire life, and whether that's because my children are all old enough now to really enjoy doing things together, or because Danny and I were able to get some alone travel in, which we haven't done in probably 15 years. All of the above, it's just been such a beautiful summer. We made a goal to go to the beach at least once a week, and we were able to do that, and it was just so glorious. And I've loved having everybody home, although it has been difficult to work and stay motivated and stay focused. Sometimes I just want to spend time with my incredible husband and children, but I will say it has just been such a beautiful summer, and I'm just sad to see it end. And although I know it will come back around, it is kind of an annual thing, I am just really clinging to the little bit we have left. So you're not going to see fall before September here on this channel when it comes to decorating. I just am not ready to do it. So we're going to give this little lobster butter dish a wash because I was using it, but I did show you my other butter dish. That's is it a French butter dish, I think? And it's really, I love having that thing. It really does keep your butter nice and soft, and the water creates a seal. I'll link it for you down below, but I wanted to mention that I'm wearing the boyfriend button-up from Sofia Vergara's line at Walmart. I showed this in my Walmart fall haul, and I love this top. I have it paired with my favorite Amazon leggings and my new cognac leather Hey Dude slides that are the most comfortable shoes. And I felt very fall transitional today. I felt like this was a good transition outfit. I had a doctor's appointment later on in the afternoon, and I switched over to sandals just because it was like 80 degrees, but I felt like this was a nice little transition outfit. So again, I'll link everything for you down below. If you haven't seen my recent fall fashion hauls, I would definitely check those out so you can get yourself prepared for fall. And it's inevitable, right? It's coming, and we're excited. We're just going to savor what we have left of the current season before we jump headfirst into the next. If you've been around my channel at all during decorating seasons, this is kind of how I do it. I usually will take everything down, put it all here on my dining room table, and then I will sort it out. I've been trying to edit my decor before I pack it away. That way I am only storing things that I used and that I still love and that I feel I'll use again. If I don't, I will either gift it to someone I know, I will sell it on Facebook Marketplace. Most of the time I just donate it to our local Salvation Army, but I do like to give my friends first dibs. But putting it all on the dining room table just lets me get a good view of what I have, and then I can really gauge how many bins I'm going to need. I don't have a summer bin, so we're going to start one in today's video. I'll show you how I store my decor and keep it nice and organized. So now that everything is taken down and here on the dining room table, I'm grabbing a clear bin. I buy these from Walmart and I try to have a few downstairs just ready to go if I need them. We literally use them for all of our storage needs. We use them in our garage for pesticides, for, gardening things. We use them for all of our camping gear, and I use them for all of my home decor. When I have seasonal home decor like this, I will pack it all together. I also have bins downstairs labeled kitchen or shelf styling. I also have ones that say stems. I do have a video in my arsenal on our organization downstairs, so I'll try to link it for you down in the description box to show you kind of how we store everything. I do need to take you down there for an updated tour because we have added more shelving and created a little bit of like a storage room. We are going to be starting to work on our basement. That is an upcoming 2026 task that we are going to be taking on. So I'm really looking forward to that. So you'll see more of that, but this is how I do all of our storage. So I'm just going to very carefully put everything into this bin. I love the clear bins because I can see what's inside. They look really nice and they're really affordable and they fit nicely on the plastic shelving that we use downstairs, all of which is from Walmart. I will link it all for you. If you need storage, this is definitely one of the best ways I have found. And when you're looking for things, particularly, you can find them because you can see the clear bins. It's really nice when I, am looking for a specific area in my home. I can look in the bin and say, oh, okay, I see that right there, or the size that I need, and it works out really nicely. I also will put a label on this, which I'll show you here in a moment, and I'll show you the labeler that I use as well.
So now that everything's packed up, I'm grabbing my labeler. This is by Brother. I love this little labeler. It is super affordable, great for labeling literally anything. It just gives you a little sticker. They are waterproof little stickers, and that's fantastic. So they're not going to bleed or anything when they get wet. So I use them on the kids' water bottles, all of their school supplies. It's really, really great. And it's super simple, and they've got cute little pictures that you can put on there. So gonna get this packed up and it's all done.
And just like that, summer is all packed away in a box. I'm so sad. I know it's not really packed away in a box. It just kind of feels like it. It's like symbolic, you know what I mean? And although it really wasn't like a ton of decor, sorry, the dishwasher's going right now, but I know it wasn't a ton of decor. It just, you know, it's nice to have a little bit of a clean palette. You guys hear crew in the background. We're babysitting. Danny's on the floor with him in the living room, but we're all clean. The palette is all clean. And like I said, we will be focusing on bringing in fall here in the next couple of weeks. So I can't believe it. So thank you guys so much for joining me in today's video. Just a little on Decorate with me. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Make sure you're subscribed. See you, my friends.